Kyrgyzstan, a country located in the heart of Asia, known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. This land of majestic mountains and vast steppes is not only a geographical marvel but also a country undergoing remarkable transformation economically, politically, and socially. Geographically, Kyrgyzstan is a landlocked country bordered by Kazakhstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, Tajikistan to the south, and China to the east. With a diverse terrain consisting of the towering Tian Shan Mountains and fertile valleys, the nation spans over 199,951 square kilometers, making it an ecological treasure trove. Home to approximately 7.4 million people, this dynamic region boasts a vibrant array of cultures that reflect its rich history. Kyrgyzstan is not only a stunning tapestry of nature and culture, but it is also witnessing an economic boom driven by robust sectors like construction, agriculture, and industry. In 2023, the real GDP growth rate reached an impressive 6.2%, following a remarkable 9% growth in 2024, and a steady growth of 11.1% in 2025. Kyrgyzstan stands out as a politically stable modern country that values its historical roots and cultural heritage. It currently ranks 45th globally in the implementation of the Sustainable Development Goals, aiming to break into the top 30 by 2030. In the realm of foreign policy, Kyrgyzstan adopts a multi-vector, balanced approach. This pragmatic stance allows Kyrgyzstan to maintain a proactive role on the international stage, fostering meaningful collaborations to address shared challenges. Kyrgyzstan recognizes the United Nations as a pivotal force in addressing global challenges, ranging from peace and security to climate change. With a firm belief in the UN's capabilities, Kyrgyzstan cordially participates in its activities, initiating resolutions that draw attention to national concerns. Through Kyrgyzstan's initiative and collaboration with partner countries, the UN General Assembly has adopted over 15 resolutions supporting sustainable mountain development. The most recent resolution designates 2023 to 2027 as the 5 years of action for the development of mountain regions. Moreover, in 2024, Kyrgyzstan proposed to declare October 23rd as International Snow Leopard Day, an initiative that received widespread support at the UN plenary session, highlighting its commitment to environmental preservation. The country is dedicated to resolving conflicts through negotiation, drawing upon extensive experience in peace-building and mediation. This commitment is evident in Kyrgyzstan's significant role in resolving conflicts in various neighboring areas. Over the years, hundreds of Kyrgyz citizens have participated in UN peacekeeping operations worldwide, being one of the first in Central Asia to send military personnel to Liberia, Sudan, Darfur, Sierra Leone, East Timor, and Haiti. Adding to its diplomatic efforts, in 2007, Kyrgyzstan, backed by fellow Central Asian nations, has nominated its candidacy for a non-permanent seat on the UN Security Council for the 2027 to 2028 term, representing the Asia-Pacific Group. The overarching mission for this candidacy is clear: to ensure that future generations inherit a peaceful, secure, and sustainable world. The modern world presents new challenges and threats, including internal violence, civil wars, and massive human rights violations, alongside issues such as poverty, food insecurity, pandemics, climate change, cybersecurity, terrorism, and transnational organized crime. Addressing these complex challenges demands unified efforts from UN member states. In this context, Kyrgyzstan prioritizes strengthening trust among UN member states. It is crucial to avoid a bloc mentality that divides member states into friends and enemies. Enhancing UN peacebuilding effectiveness, improving the strategies employed in peacebuilding initiatives is essential. Focusing on the women, children, and security nexus, acknowledging that women and children disproportionately suffer in conflicts, Kyrgyzstan advocates for greater involvement of women in international peace and security decisions. Promoting disarmament and non-proliferation, the importance of disarmament policies must be underscored to eliminate weapons of mass destruction. Strengthening UN peacekeeping activities. Commitment to a more robust peacekeeping framework is paramount, especially as international terrorism, extremism, and drug trafficking continue to threaten global security. Economic challenges, global climate change, and inequality contribute to systemic crises and global issues. Thus, the international community needs to reassess the role of sustainable development as a cornerstone for ensuring peace and security. Promoting sustainable development in the global south, especially in Africa, Asia, Latin America, and Oceania, is vital for enhancing resilience and improving quality of life. Kyrgyzstan's transport potential can play a significant role in boosting trade and connectivity, supporting these initiatives. Ensuring stability in Afghanistan. As a neighboring country, Kyrgyzstan aims to support Afghanistan by integrating its economy into regional and global economic frameworks. Advocating for least developed countries, landlocked developing countries, and small island developing states. Kyrgyzstan upholds the principles of multilateralism, which foster security by preventing the dominance of the might makes right principle. The country intends to focus on strict compliance with international law. Upholding the principles enshrined in the UN Charter is essential. Deepening cooperation among multilateral institutions, collaborative efforts to tackle common challenges and enhance preventive diplomacy and mediation services are crucial. Advancing UN Security Council reform. Supporting sustainable progression in reforming the Council is necessary for its effectiveness. Educating the public on disarmament and non-proliferation is essential for supporting global peace. Kyrgyzstan, as a proponent of a nuclear weapon-free zone in Central Asia, continues to advocate against the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. In December 2022, at Kyrgyzstan's initiative, the UN General Assembly declared March 5th as the International Day of Disarmament and Non-Proliferation Awareness, showcasing the country's commitment to disarmament policies. As a peace-minded nation, Kyrgyzstan plays an active role in promoting peace, security, the climate agenda, and sustainable development within the international community. The voices of small and developing countries must be heard on the global stage. With the support of all states in the region, Kyrgyzstan is ready to represent its agenda in the UN Security Council. We count on the support of Kyrgyzstan in the elections in June 2026.